Everybody. So, first of all, again, we're now on day two. Hopefully will be the end of day two before too long. We're hearing the same things over and over. That's the way they're going to do the case. I will assure you this. We will be putting on a vigorous defense of both fact and rebutting what they've said. Our job here is to defend both the president, the office of the presidency, and the Constitution. We're going to do that. I see nothing that has changed in the last now day and a half of their 2.5 days that we've been going here. And we're going to begin our robust case when the Senate says it's time to start and move forward. I'll answer some questions.
Are you going to go short on Saturday?
Go ahead.
Are you going to go short on Saturday?
The Senate sets the rules on how we go, so we'll see how that goes.
Do you want to save it for the weekdays? Do you plan to use up all 24 hours of the time that you've been?
You know, I said this yesterday. Here's the thing. We're going to use a sufficient amount of time to not only defend our case and point out the inconsistencies of their case, but we're going to do it in an appropriate manner. We're not going to try to run the clock out. We're going to do it what we think is our legal team thinks is appropriate to present our case. We'll make that determination. We're still in their process. We'll make that determination after.
Will the White House use documents that they refuse to turn over to the House?
I'm not going to look. The White House will use and we will use appropriate documents that will be admissible for what this record is. That's the way we're going to do it. I'm not going to respond to anything in particular. Yes.
What do you make of the fact that four of the president's allies, some players in this trial, Lindsey Graham, Alan Dershowitz, even the Attorney General, have made statements to the effect of abuse of power is impeachable?
You know, we've got something very different than what you're hearing up here. You're hearing, video clips of testimony. We've got lawyers that are going to be put forward when our side of the case goes that represents multiple schools of thought on what is and is not an impeachable offense. But they have one thing in common, that the actions alleged and the actions of the president do not reach that level, no matter which school of thought you're on. And we're not afraid to put out both of those schools of thought because our position is you still have to meet basic, fundamental constitutional obligations, and they haven't. Next.
How much work do you think you have to convince that room? How much more work do you think you have ahead to try and convince that room, or is it already over and done with?
Look, I told you, I said this yesterday, we're prepared for any contingency that may arise. The case has a long way to go then. Remember this. This is the second day of their case. They get another day. Then we get our time. Then could be 2 days of questions. And then more voting. So we may be at this for a little bit.
Last night, the Democrats submitted supplemental testimony that Jennifer Williams and Penn State provided. Why shouldn't the president declassify that document?
I'm not going to discuss anything involving national security matters.
Jay, will you go short on Saturday so the big show can be on Monday and Tuesday for all Americans to see?
Look, here's the situation. The senators are they have the rules. Our job is to play by the rules they set. If they want to go 2 hours, great. If they say they want to go longer, 8 hours, we have to, look, this is the way it is. I am confident. Let me say this. I am confident that whether it is Saturday or Monday or Tuesday, that the case will be made defending the president. I have no doubt. Thanks, everybody.